Anybody, any idea what we are doing? Actually, the paper 4, have you seen this particular paper syllabus or the PYQ? You know very well, day before yesterday the paper has been come, and you know very well what is the main question of the paper 4 in general, or any idea or anything? कुछ लोग पुराने भी बैठे हैं. So what is the main purpose of this particular paper? So I would like to definitely share with my experience and definitely the UPSC demand. Okay, so this paper basically needs your personality, what you are, and what will your response according to the questions. Okay, basically this paper actually need your suggestions, your thinking, what you think and what you analyze. Okay, as far as the society is concerned, whenever you will become an IAS officer or the civil servant, definitely the main use of this particular paper in the daily life. Okay, so as far as this particular paper, basically we need the main syllabus. Okay, in general this paper, especially the syllabus, is divided in two basic sections, the section A and section B. Okay, the section A is basically based on the theory, and there will be the 6 or 7 questions, but 10 marker or 15 marks, sir. It means the total section A will consider or consist the 130 marks. Got it? The 130 marks will definitely from section A. Are you getting my main portions? The paper 4, it means the ethics total paper. It will be the paper 4, P4, and it basically marks will be 250. Okay, are you getting my point? The total marks will definitely 250. So as far as the syllabus is concerned, paper 1 has got so many syllabus and so many subject. Paper 2 also the 2 subject, the polity, governance and the IR. And third is also the very big paper. You know very well, the paper 3 consists with Indian economy and development, environment science, and the science and technology, and internal security. There are so many things are the subject, but only the paper 4, it means the paper 4 consists 2 sections. The section A, it is called section A. It consists, or it will be definitely, as far as the mark is concerned, 130 marks. Clear? In the initial level, it is very initial level. And the section B, it means the B part or the section B, it consists, or it definitely will be the 120 marks. Clear? The whole marks will be 250. Clear, Shivam? So what we will do, as far as the syllabus is concerned, we have got 2 basic reference from the UPSC. Why? Because the UPSC demand will depend on the UPSC syllabus. Clear? And the paper need some experience from the government side and your side. Okay, we have got so many examples in our daily life, like the case study section. Whenever you will see the PYQ, okay, so our strategy will be daily basis ki what will consist in the section B and section A parts. We will do as far as the syllabus, and every topic must be clear in our class. Okay, there are no need to any other things, but some reference will be definitely need, some reference materials and the books. I will provide my notes and flow charts and definitely PYQ model answer also. Okay, it's my commitment to you. So there are no need, but some reference book or some government reference material, they will be actually in authentic in nature. Okay, so the main things what we will consider, it is depend on the government data. The first data we will use the second ARC recommendation. What we will use? Second ARC, Administrative Reforms Commission report number 14. Okay, and definitely the 4 report and 14 reports we will need. Okay, we require the governance and the ethics in governance. Okay, so we will require 2 government data as far as the reference is concerned. Okay, हमें क्या चाहिए आप समझ पा रहे हैं? Okay, एक नीड क्या है? सेकेंड ARC रिकमेंडेशन वी विल नीड. आई विल गिव इन द PDF format, or whatever you need, you may definitely read with this particular reference is concerned. Okay, so day by day, whenever you will know the syllabus, and when you inculcate the things whatever in the examination and their need as per the UPSC need, we will definitely give the examples, and daily basis we will definitely, as far as the assignment is concerned, you may check your answers. I will definitely provide in daily basis case study and the section A questions, basically daily. Okay, when we will start, then definitely you can understand what is the real demand of this particular paper, and definitely we do SMS. Okay, clear? So the ethics paper require some government data, and there are some good reference. You must be download from the UPSC website PYQ as far as the 2013 to 2024. Okay, you know very well we have got the 11-year paper, so we require this is as far as the mandatory or compulsory in nature. Okay, what I am saying you can understand कि हमें सबसे पहले जरूरत क्या पड़ेगी? The PYQ. Why I am saying this particular, and why I am suggesting to you why we need the PYQ? What the benefit or utilization of the PYQ in our mains? एक आइडिया हो जाएगा, क्वेश्चन पैटर्न समझ सकते हैं. व्हाट योर आइडिया? किस वे में आंसर्स देना है? Actually depend on the paper or the question. Okay, and Rohit, what about you?
You know the mindset of what UPSC is thinking and what questions actually framing.
Yes, and the questions framing, and definitely we can, according to this particular paper, the demand of the question, we will fulfill their demand. Okay, and what is the main benefit of this particular PYQ? Main benefit, actually, as far as your suggestion, definitely I agree with you and I appreciate these type of answers, but I need this particular things when we see the PYQ, the section and very important portion of our paper where they actually focused. Am I right? Like whenever we will know the things as far as the syllabus is concerned. So what is the syllabus? So this is very simple syllabus. Basically I will definitely note down, इसको मैं note down कराऊंगा. I will dictate. Why? Because the syllabus is very important. So the PYQ is very important. And why is the syllabus is important? Why it is the necessary as per the syllabus? Syllabus क्यों जरूरी है? Why the importance of the syllabus of the mains? What do you think? Yes, definitely. और टॉपिक के अलावा सिलेबस में टॉपिक के अलावा क्या होता है? मेन सिलेबस एक ऑर्डर में होता है. सिलेबस इन बेसिकली द ऑर्डर इन नेचर्स. ऑर्डर इन नेचर्स व्हाट इट मीन? आप बता पाएंगे? इंटरकनेक्टेड एंड इंटरडिपेंडेबल हो सकता है या नहीं? Why? Because every syllabus has got the pre-designing, and definitely we will fulfill their demand accordingly, and definitely we will clear as far as our minds is concerned. We will focus upon this particular link is concerned. Okay, so actually we will learn according to the syllabus, step by step, topic by topic. Every topic I will include in our class, definitely. And as far as the syllabus is concerned, whenever we will see the syllabus, definitely the demand as far as the topic is concerned, हम लोगों को टॉपिक वाइज कवर करते चलना है. ओके, सो टॉपिक इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. व्हाई? बिकॉज देयर आर सो मेनी टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन in the PYQ. Okay, so there are 4 type of questions, or the 4 or 5 type of question. You must be know the ABCDE of the mains paper. A means analysis, they need analysis, analytical power. B means they need brief. C means command. D means discuss and describe. E means explain or elucidate or examine. Are you getting my point? They will ask the basic 5 frame in your questions. Okay, they need लिखवा दूंगा, चिंता नहीं करना है. Analysis, they need analysis power of from your syllabus. B means brief understanding of the particular concerned topic or the subject or the perspective knowledge of the concerned of topic. Okay, and C means comment and critic. Sometimes they can ask critic also. Okay, critic, you know very well the critic portion. I will definitely discuss the critic portion of the topic. Okay, sometimes, why? Because there are so many topics, they will definitely in the positive nature, but in the implementation ground there are some critic. Okay, like RTI, right to information, there are some critic. Why? Because it is not up to the mark as far as the implementation is concerned. So we will discuss when it require. Okay, and D means discuss. Clear? Discussion, it is very important. Why? Because they need what you think and what is the real things as far as the topic is concerned. Okay, so and E means explain and examine. E means explain and examine. Sometimes they need illustration also. Illustration, what it mean? Anybody? What is the real meaning of the illustration? Illustrate करना. What do you think? Example के through explain. You explain. So what is the difference between the explain and illustration? Explain, it is a very simply. Explain means I would like to give a question. Please explain it. Okay. Please explain it. UPSC and their cadre system in general. What you will explain the cadre system of the UPSC? Cadre system समझते हैं? Cadre system. Are you getting my point? Cadre system, UP cadre, Bihar cadre, whatever you need. It depends on your merit. Okay. So what you will explain it? No, I need the only question. What is the UPSC cadre? Are you getting my point? I am asking the question. What is the UPSC cadre? Explain. So what your answer? This is explanation. Okay. What is the illustration? What is the UPSC cadre system? Illustrate it. In general, I will definitely give everything, but I would like to ask only the thing. What is the difference between both illustration and explanation? कभी आपने सुना illustration क्या होता है? कभी नहीं सुना. It is general discussion. It is basically the idea. अभी तक यही करते आए हम लोग. एक्चुअली हमने यूनिवर्सिटी पैटर्न से एग्जाम्स दिया है और हमें नहीं मालूम है. हमने अभी तक क्या जो क्वेश्चन आया हमें नहीं मालूम क्वेश्चंस. हमें तो पता है क्वेश्चन का एग्जिस्टेंसी क्या है, व्हाट इज द रियल डिमांड ऑफ द क्वेश्चन, एंड वी नो द टेक्स्ट, एंड अकॉर्डिंग द क्वेश्चन हम वही बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं आंसर्स. बट यूपीएससी इज वेरी डिफरेंट, यू नो वेरी वेल. आई विल show you what the UPSC need actually. Okay, so illustration means big picturization, the pictorial format, whatever you will give, like UPSC cadre. It means whenever you will got the UP cadre, as far as the UPSC cadre allotment system, okay, you must be a part of the UP government as per the IAS is concerned, like chief secretary of their respective state. आपने क्या किया स्टेट करके, क्या एग्जाम्पल दे दिया उसको, like chief secretary. It means who will become the chief secretary of the UP? Only the UP cadre IAS officers. Okay, are you getting my point? What is the difference? I don't need the explanation who is the chief secretary of the, who will become the chief secretary of the UP. As far as the illustration is concerned, you will give the picture who is the chief secretary of our UP state. Are you getting my point? Clear? So definitely I will give the example what is the difference. It is the very basically the minor difference between the illustration and the explanation. So don't worry, this is our preliminary stage. So day by day you definitely understood about these particular things, and you may learn that so many things whatever the requirement of the UPSC is concerned. Okay, don't worry. Okay, so my second portion, this particular paper is basically differ from others GS paper of the mains. It is totally differ from others 3 papers. There are uncertainty, but in my UPSC paper 4, very pre-designed, pre-planned and prefixed. Why? Because this syllabus is very simple and very easy to grasp, and it is very mini syllabus. There are only the 7 topics. How many subject topics? 7 topics, 7 questions. Every question will 10 mark. 10 marker, okay, or sometime they can divide in the 10 marker or the one question in 2 form. It means the 20 marker. 10 marker or 20 marker. Are you getting my point? I will show from through the example of the UPSC is concerned. Okay, don't worry. So कुछ आइडिया आ रहा है आपको कि व्हाट इज द मेन रिक्वायरमेंट एंड व्हाट इज द बेसिकली द यूपीएससी पेपर 4. ओके, सो नाउ आई थिंक वी मस्ट बी स्टार्ट, एंड इफ you think, then definitely we can start. Okay, so this paper basically, please write the syllabus of the UPSC paper 4. लिख लें GS paper 4 syllabus. So first portion of the syllabus, please write what is the exactly syllabus is concerned. Okay, please write. This paper will include, please write, so idea will become in your mind, don't worry. This paper will include questions to test the candidate attitude and approach. Attitude and approach. Attitude and approach. Two issues relating to integrity, probity, in public life, and his problem solving approaches, problem solving approach to various issues and conflicts various issues and conflict faced by him in dealing with society. Questions may utilize the case study approach to determine these aspects. Okay, the following broad areas will be covered. Please read carefully this particular paragraph. Why? Because this is the main instruction as per the UPSC in their syllabus. Please read, and what you understand about these lines or this particular paragraph, please discuss. After then we will definitely give some point. There are 7 points only. Okay, the following broad areas, the 7 broad areas we will concern, and we will focus upon the syllabus. Okay, so what do you understand about this particular paragraph? In general, please. Why? Because we are going to go to approach, and we can learn from this particular paragraph. Why? Because this is the basic instruction of the UPSC. In other paper, there are no any specification before the syllabus. Please read this paragraph, because this paragraph will plan, or as a blueprint, they will focus upon this particular things. Why? And you know very well, they are prescribing in our syllabus. What do you understand from this particular paragraph?
This program give me information. Here you become the evolution to solve the problem.
Yes.
We should have information and employ such type of solve all problems given by society.
Okay, great. And the other things, of course, it is very important, the society and their problem, how you will solve the problem, it will be depend on your approach. Am I right? Okay, and again, next, what they are also requiring?
These people suggest us we are the part of our society.
Yeah.
Not you understood the whole problem of society and work on it. Do not deny any type of problem.
Okay.
There.
Okay. And what is your idea according to this particular paragraph? Conflict हो गया रे, हाँ, okay. Yes. How you will handle it depend on your approach. Yeah. It is your attitude, how you may control of this particular segment. Okay. And Rohit?
How to solve the
Issues.
With the presence of mind.
Yeah.
Like some issues are such where you need to use mind, where you need to use emotional
Yes.
attachment,
Yes.
thinking ability,
Yes.
and also solve the problem in such a way that none of the party can be satisfied by you.
Yeah.
And you satisfy everything. Means over here you have to give maximum benefit and maximum happiness to all the people. And other things is tell us.
Yes, sir, please.
Other things is tell us like your mindset towards the issues which are coming. Like some issues are like as you told in the Muslim context. Now over there, you as a civil servant officer, you cannot think as a Hindu or Muslim. You need to think as a citizen of India.
First of all, yeah.
Your mindset to citizen of India, not Hindu, not Muslim. So over there, how you tackle that situation is a very big thing, and that teaches us this.
Yes, well done. I am very good. What do you think about this particular paragraph? You last. Okay. So, what do you understand about this particular word as far as your knowledge is concerned? What do you think about the attitude? What is the attitude in general? In general way, in our daily life, what is the attitude we are using? Nature. Nature is the attitude. How you respond. Yeah, response. Okay. Okay. How you behave. Okay. To other. Okay. Very good. Or of course it can be. Yes. And it means he has got some frame, whatever the conduct is concerned and what is thinking, what they actual think and ideology and thoughts. Okay, very good. And you, what do you think about this particular paragraph? Situation, like, very good. Okay, and the circumstances are the different type of situation, definitely. Okay, so some idea we can create basically, but in their initial paragraph, you know, you can see the word issue. What is the basically the meaning of the issue in general? Public problem. Okay, the problem is issue. We have got so many social problem. Okay, so the all problem can be issue or not? It can be. Okay, so what is the difference between the issue and problem? Our syllabus is problem. There are so many problems, so we can see the syllabus is problem.
Way of studying is issue.
क्या है? अगर वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाए तो इश्यू नहीं होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऑफकोर्स वो कहना चाह रहा है, तो डेफिनेटली आपका आइडिया सही है. तो व्हाट इज द इशू बेसिकली? सभी लोग PSIR के इस वजह से. इन जनरल व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द इशू? डोंट वरी, I will definitely give some exact meaning, and in the initial level I will definitely give some analysis and some definitely the definition portion, how we can define and how we can learn this particular word and what is the exact meaning. It is very very important. What is the exact meaning of the particular word? Okay, the issue is nothing. Basically the issue is a gap. करना बोल रही होगी कि सर यही बोलेंगे, but issue, what is the issue? Issue is general gap. Why? Because the problem will not solve, yet it is the gap. If the problem will solve, there will be no gap. Am I right? So whenever we will solve the problem, there will be no issue. But if there is some gap between the problem and the solving and the solution, it is called the issue. Okay, so what is the minor difference? I will definitely give some point in the word as a text. Okay, don't worry. So the text is concerned, I will definitely require the exact meaning and sense is a different things and general use of the different things and example. So actually अभी तक क्या हुआ है, हम लोग एग्जाम्पल से समझते आए, कभी हमने हिम्मत ही नहीं की कि व्हाट इज द इशू, और पढ़ लिए इशू सारे। भाई अभी तक हमने क्या किया? सो दिस एग्जाम बेसिकली द पेपर 4 रिक्वायर द एग्जैक्ट मीनिंग ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर वर्ड, लाइक एटीट्यूड। एटीट्यूड इज बेसिकली है क्या इन जनरल? कोई बताएगा एटीट्यूड? व्हाट इज द एटीट्यूड? Attitude, okay, it can be, but it's not the exact meaning of the attitude. Anybody? For example, such. अभी मैं सिलेबस लिखवा रहा हूँ, डोंट वरी, मैं जनरल पूछ रहा हूँ। देखिए कितना हम लोग समझते हैं और होता क्या है। इसके बारे में आप क्या सोचते हो? क्या सोचते हो आप? इसको अप डाउन करता है। So exactly this is the remote control ना? Okay, it can be control in the remote area, from the remote also. Remote area it means इसको यहाँ आने की जरूरत नहीं है, इसको वहीं से ऑन करने का है। इसका मतलब रिमोट कंट्रोलर है। Why it is called a remote control? Why? Because it can control from anywhere. It has got exact distance at the prefixed distance. It is the capacity. Am I right? It has got their own capacity. Are you getting my point? So this is the remote control in general. So what is your attitude towards this particular remote is concerned? Attitude is basically your thinking, whatever you are thinking of according to the things. Okay, it is your real image, what you know about this particular things. It means the attitude is nothing. Attitude is basically the mirror or the spectacle, from the spectacle or the eye, what you think about the things. ये भी एक रिमोट कंट्रोल है, ये भी एक रिमोट कंट्रोल है। इट मीन्स द जनरल एटीट्यूड क्या हो गया? रिमोट कंट्रोल। अब ये इसको कोई दूसरा कोई सोचे इट इज ए डिवाइस, देन देयर थिंकिंग, उसका अपना सोचने का नजरिया है। ओके, सो एटीट्यूड इज बेसिकली द इमेजिनेशन व्हाट यू विल इमेज आर फिक्स इन योर ब्रेन। ओके, किसी के लिए ये क्या है? किसी को मार्कर हो सकता है, और मेरे लिए अलग चीज है। मेरे लिए ये एज ए बेसिकली है क्या? ये मेरे लिए कर्सर है। कर्सर है, मैं जहां चाहूं वहां रख दूं। इट इज माई कर्सर, इट इज माई एटीट्यूड। सो द वर्ड एंड द मीनिंग इट डिपेंड ऑन योर एटीट्यूड। He wear black t-shirt, so he can oppose. He can definitely from the anti-groups. Why? Because the black color is also in our mind. The black can be oppose something. Why? Because it is my predetermined attitude towards the black color. So somebody wear the black color, that definitely they can anti from my class. Are you getting mine? Don't worry, it's my general joke, but it can be or not. Am I right? If you wear black or white, of course, sometimes the white can be show the peacefulness. Am I right or not? It depends on your attitude. Otherwise, निर्मा वॉशिंग पाउडर, किसी बच्चे को एडवर्टाइजमेंट देने को क्या लगेगा? वो सफेद शर्ट चमका रहा है, इसका मतलब वो साबुन का एडवर्टाइजर है। सो इट डिपेंड ऑन एटीट्यूड, वॉट एवर यू सी थ्रू योर आई आर द ब्रेन टू आउटवर्ड। जो भी दुनिया को आप जिस नजर से देखते हो वो क्या है? आपका अपना एटीट्यूड है, दूसरे का तो नहीं है। Am I right? Clear? So